Hey beauties, I'm Kavalpreet Kaur and welcome to the Core Beauty Space. Today we will be learning how to apply smudge-free kajal. Like Lakme iconic kajal, there are tons of kajal guarantees to give long-lasting and smudge-free look. Long-lasting is fine, but they miserably fails in seizing the moisture, which in turns doesn't give the smudge-free look. So same problem is with me. So to seize my watery under eyes with long-lasting smudge-free look, I'm going to use a trick. As you can see, I have applied the kajal and there is no kajal left over till now, but it will be after some time. So now I'm going to use a Colorsense Gold Compact, one of my favorite, to seize the smudge free look, and make sure to dust off the excess powder if any. For your info, I'm using Color Bar brush. Okay, this Colorsense Gold is one of my favorite compact. If you have loose powder, then that would be Sone par Suhaga. Anyway, in a simple way, just apply it under your eyes like I am doing, and then you're good to go. That's all. So if you like this video and like this tip, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all soon. Bye.